welcome back to the CSC Garage as we continue the ultimate TT250 Enduro build. If you've missed any of the previous episodes, be sure to check out the link in the top right corner of your screen. Today we're going to be looking at a folding shift lever and how to install that on the TT. Let's get started. Now for the removal and the reinstall of the shift lever, you're simply going to need a 10mm wrench. This is called a folding shift lever because of this action. And you can see if something were to hit or if the bike were to fall over, this collapses or folds in rather than bending the shift lever first. All right, we'll first remove this pinch bolt. If you take a look, you'll notice the lever isn't sitting all the way up against the engine. There is a gap between the end of the lever and the shaft. Remove the bolt, pinch bolt, slide off the lever, and you'll note that there are splines inside the lever and splines on the shaft, which makes this able to position at the correct height for your foot preference. Essentially what's happening is this bolt is pinching the lever together, but it's also fitting through that groove. So you want to make sure that the bolt lines up with where that groove is. Thanks for joining us once again here at the CSC Garage. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install this upgraded folding shift lever. Be sure to continue following along as we build the ultimate TT250 Enduro. Any of these parts can be purchased at www.cscmotorcycles.com, or you can simply follow the links at the bottom description in this video. Until next time, enjoy the ride. Be sure to tune back in as we continue the ultimate TT250 build.
Enjoy the ride.
Let me try another. Let me try it. I enjoyed showing you just how easy it is to install this. Stammering, man. All right. Thanks for joining us once again here at the CSC Garage. Well, we'll take your call.